Good morning, good morning. Hope everyone's feeling good today. Gosh, what day is it? Losing track. Too many days out here. I think it's day 27. Yeah, day 27, skate across America, we'll go with that. Yeah, last day in Texas. Finally making it out of the state, hopefully. I'm not sure exactly when, could be 10, 20, 30 miles. I have to look at the map. But entering Louisiana, thought we were gonna get that early start today. Was feeling good. Woke up, didn't even check the weather, pouring rain. Luckily it stopped, and I think we're gonna get a window now. So yeah, I mean, it's nice to not be absolutely soaked. We'll probably get some, a little bit of moisture here and there from splash ups and things, but this is way better than skating through the rain and having to deal with that. So a little bit of a later start, but we've started around 9, 8:30, 7:30, so we're not too far off. Definitely tightens us to get to at least 50 today, but hopefully the roads are this good, and if not, we'll make it work. But yeah, that's what the day's looking like today. So let's do it. See that coming off? Yo, my morning whining update, my pain update. One of the main problems today, more than anything else, my toes. Right toe specifically, which has been generally my good one, that has now become my bad one. Achilles, still really sore. Today, actually, for my knee, is one of the best days I've had so far in terms of how it feels in the morning. Look, I'm pushing with it right now very lightly. I've been doing these exercises, some wall sits, some just massage getting other muscles around it. It's feeling a little bit better. Not like anything close to full function at all, but it's trending maybe in the right direction. So that's good, that's good. All right, guys, I don't know how many of you are skaters or involved in the skateboarding world or watch or whatever, but yesterday, Mark Johnson passed away. Absolute legend. Very unfortunate. I'm not actually sure what happened, but he was, let me see. I didn't know him, I never got to meet him. I met some people that know him, but I've never actually met him. But I watched his videos over the years, and growing up working at skate shops, and like Fully Flared was one of the biggest videos when it came out, and his part was the ender, had 3 songs. It was like the significant moment in skateboarding, and beyond that, he was killing it for years before and after too, But to me, the 2 things that stand out to him the most about him were his style, right? Well, his style and creativity, right? Like that was where he shined, I felt. And he just added a lot of things to skateboarding in that way. And then his personality, it seemed like he was just lighthearted and goofing around. So yeah, all of his hard work, making those video parts, had a huge impact on skateboarding. And so today we're gonna push some miles for him. Look at this, I'm getting a few pushes in, man. I don't wanna push it too hard, but it is nice. Let's hope maybe a couple of days we're back to just pushing both legs. That seems like an ambitious ask at this point. And it felt like this is how the trip is gonna be for the next 2 weeks, but it's a little bit light. We won't bank on it, but we'll acknowledge it. Big crack. Looks a little more wet over here. looks a little more rough. There we go. Yeah, I said a few words about Mark Johnson to start the skate today. You know, skateboarding is an interesting thing, man. It's brutal. The amount of work and time and energy and effort you put into it, it goes unnoticed even when it's noticed. How much work and pain goes into a video part. That's such a short little thing. I don't think, you know, across the board, like there isn't enough appreciation for what it really takes. It is a tough and brutal thing to do. So hats off to him for all he did and accomplished, contributed to skateboarding. How we doing? Yeah, nice to meet you. All right, Chad, nice to meet you.
Ethan.
How are you?
Just getting off work.
Oh, nice.
They got a town up there.
Oh, really? Oh, hell yeah. Thank you, man.
$20.
Thank you, dude.
They got some good food out there.
Hey, you'll get some lunch with this then. Thank you, man.
No problem.
I appreciate you. Thank you. Nice meeting you, too. Hey, enjoy the rest of your day off, man. How's it going? Almost there. Hey, thank you for coming out.
I started watching you
appreciate it.
in 23. I brought an article.
Oh, really? Thank you. I appreciate it.
I don't skateboard. I haven't skateboarded 35 years.
Really?
I'm not an addict. But when you do what you did last time, dude, I was going through some stuff and like watching your
videos,
every second of your videos is so inspirational, man.
Thank you, man. That means a lot. Thank you.
Only day off.
Thank you, dude.
I live in well on the other side of Louisiana. It's like my only day off, so I was like, I can't let this guy come through.
Dude, thank you for taking the time and coming out. Let's do it, man.
Let's do it, bro.
Crack some Arnie Palmies.
Yes, sir.
Cheers. Thank you, man. Thank you.
I love the car.
Yeah, it's the spot. Thank you. Oh, dude, thank you so much.
Man.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Means a lot.
I got some Cheetos. Are you hungry?
No, I'm chilling for now. Thank you.
You good?
I'm trying to keep it light in the morning.
You just started.
Yeah.
Dude, I drove 3 hours out here to come see you, bro.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Dude, it really means a lot.
I live
Thank
well
you.
on the other side of Louisiana.
Damn.
I got to go to work tomorrow, so I was like, dude, I got to come.
Yeah, when you got the time. Hey. Well, it means a lot. It helps. It gives me energy, and I appreciate it.
Thank you for what you did already and what you're continuing to do, brother. It's freaking awesome.
Thank you.
It's freaking awesome.
Thank you, man.
It meant so much to me. It helped me so much.
Yeah.
Watching your videos, brother.
That's awesome.
Can't thank you enough, man. So,
thank you.
I don't want to hold you up. I know you.
I'm chilling. Well, I can't really skate with this open anyway, so let's throw it back.
Let's go. I know you don't like trash. I'll take it.
No, thank you. Thank you. Yeah,
dude.
I really appreciate you taking the time.
Yeah.
Wish I could spend more time, but I appreciate you getting out here, man. Thank you.
It's so awesome.
It means a lot. Thank you, dude. Thank you. Hey, thank you. Hell yeah. We got 2 Arnold Palmies and the microphone. He drove 3 hours, man. Give it up for him in the chat. Show him some love. Hopefully he's in here. Crushed an Arnie Palmy with me and went back on his way on his day off. Much appreciated. All these days, man, they all have their own unique ebbs and flows and experiences, even the bad ones. Yeah. Like, I just look back at the whole shit, like, dude, even those gnarly days were like some of the best memories. How you doing? How you doing today? Good. Of course, yeah.
Okay.
Gotta stay.
People were saying you were in the middle of the lane.
I mean, if there's like something on the ground, that maybe I will.
Understand that.
Yeah.
You're not in any trouble or anything.
Cool.
It's just a safety concern.
Thank you. Yeah. Of course. Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
You heading a long ways or?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to Jacksonville, Florida.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I started in Venice Beach, California.
Really?
Yeah, I'm going across all of America for charity. Today's day 27.
Okay.
Live streaming the whole entire thing across the country, and
Well, hey.
so yeah, I will. I'll do my best. Thank you. I
All right,
appreciate your time. Thank you.
Yep.
Oh my goodness! Look at these puppers. Stay over there. Don't come in the highway. Stay over there. I don't need you crossing the street, all right? Hey, stay. You gotta stay. I know you're a big supporter, but you gotta stay. Dangerous road. Good girl.
You want to take a dip in there?
In there? It looks kind of nice if you're trying to grow a tail. I haven't touched the bearings one time, or the wheels. Yo, big supporter. Yeah, I haven't touched them at all. All quantum bearings right there. Absolutely killed it. And they roll even after skating in the rain. Don't touch them, leave it. Oh, almost like kind of tragic, really, how bad this ground is. Texas ain't done with me yet, you know? Ow! Yo, this chip seal is unforgiving, man. Let's go, Texas. I ain't going down that easy, baby. I received that as support, Texas. That is support and sending me out with a pat on the back. Maybe more like a swift kick in the ass. The question is, what did training look like for the Skate Across America? So I've already, done my last trip, so I built a base. I'm skating my whole life, kind of have that base there. But for training for this specifically, it was basically, I got knee surgery 6 months, 7 months before. I didn't really even train that much for this thing, a couple 40, 30, 20-mile days, trying to just build my base in a healthy way without re-injuring. So, I guess it ended up working because we're getting through it, kinda. Wow, that's sick. Texas, it's been a good one. It's been a good one. We've had our times, ups and downs. Louisiana, first stop, po' boy. Hey, California, Arizona, they all had their challenges. Not like Texas though. Even though you're watching every day and seeing it, I still don't think it really puts it into perspective how how much of a beatdown that was. Hey!
Are you the one skating across the
I am, yeah.
for the kids?
I am, yeah.
I seen your video this morning,
Hey! That's amazing. How's it going?
I seen you, I said, I seen that guy
Nice to
today
meet
on
you.
Facebook today, man. I think I shared it.
I'm Chad. Nice to meet you.
Chad.
What's your name?
Nolan Ashworth.
Hey, nice to meet you,
Nice to
man.
meet you,
Thank
man.
you for
You
stopping,
live?
man. I'm live right now. I'm live streaming across the whole country.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Venice Beach, right?
Venice Beach to Jacksonville.
Jacksonville. I
Yeah.
seen you this morning, man. That's super cool, dude.
Hell yeah, man. I
never
appreciate
thought I'd
it.
see. That's awesome, man.
Hey.
We're making the oddest round right now, too.
Oh, really?
That's cool, man. I wish I had something to give you, man.
Hey, you gave me your presents. I appreciate it.
Hey, man. Be
Thank you,
careful out
man.
here,
Have a
bro.
good day.
Somebody say Louisiana.
Hey. All right, progress.
I'm finally out of there, man. How many from the 12th?
To the 27th, 15 days.
27?
I'm like scarred now. I'm just thinking, is chip seal ahead? Splitter. Best thing ever from Adorama. Plug in the charger and the mic. One thing. Perfect. Welcome to Louisiana. I'm going back to Texas. I'll see you guys later. How you doing?
Good yourself.
Need to weigh my board or I'm good? All right, thanks, sir. We're in Louisiana, and although our knee hurts, we can take some pushes with it. It feels like it's slightly improving somehow. Look at this. I mean, I can't go nuts, but I can get through some things. It's big. Imagine we get like kind of normal. Hey. Don't go swimming. Hey. What are you doing? You can't come. But thanks for your support. Look, he may be loud and aggressive, that dog, but he was a supporter at heart, man. He's coming along, sharing his opinion, telling me how he feels, running after me. That's support. So I get in this weird, like, sharp pinching under my knee now that I'm pushing with it, but it's not the same as it was. It was like this overwhelming, constant pain that I couldn't even put pressure on. Now it's pinpointed to one spot sharply, but I could push, which is nice. You just wait. When I get home, I'm opening my shop, Chip Seal Sandwich Co., and all will be right in the world. Yo, what's up, guys? How we doing? Cage supporters. Hey, 50. We hit it. You got a whole family over here. Was that? Oh no, I'm skateboarding across America. Find a vegan po' boy later or what? Shoo! What is going on in there? That's a world I know nothing about. Probably for the best. That's the best part about the chat. You get to learn things you would never know. So this is apparently a croc demolisher plant. That's a big initiative. Yeah, in an effort to abolish all crocs. Not many things better than this feeling. Just being nowhere. Sun coming down, nice temperature. You know, I always talk to you guys about big chip seal. Don't get me started on big clank. We got two po' boys and a microphone. Well, toe magically feels somewhat better. Who's slanging vegan po' boys around here? Get Danny a vegan po' boy and get me some boudin. Let's go. Got to 60. That's a couple days in a row now, going to 60 with my knee. That's an upwards trajectory. I like that. That's good math right there. Big shout out to Danny, holding me down all day. Go follow him on Instagram. I'll put up a link somewhere. Shout out to the mods, all you guys, everyone who donated. We're almost at the mark where I think we're like $20 or something away from the mark where GoFundMe's gonna match 5K, and then we'll be at 20K. So.
Bird Dog just posted 15,289.
Yeah. Okay. So it's 15,553. So it's like $200. Right there. We're gonna hit it. What else? My knee. I'm pushing a little more regular. A little bit yesterday and tiny bit today more. I still have all the same symptoms, but that's a good sign, I think. So I still wake up with an insane limp, but hopefully it allows me to push more miles and yeah. All right, cool. Time for some po' boys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Say bye, Danny.
Bye.